Okay, here I introduce the menu function of the 6-star C9 and the C9 Pro. You can use this function to check all the functions work well or not. So here you choose menu, so you can see all the basic the function of this machine. So we can see the back. So you can see the machine moving. Okay, we also can check the arm, the move left, and we can make it rotate, the clockwise rotate. Okay, clockwise rotate and anti-clockwise right. And we can also check the basic function, just like the function. Okay, the function. We can make also try the fan. Okay, so everything you check is fine. We can make the reset to make the machine go to the original position. But before you choose the return back to the original position, you need to check if there is no car and no people inside for safety reason. Okay, let's make it turn and confirm. Okay, works perfect. Okay, thank you for watching.